Now come to question number 5. You have to draw a bar graph. Here we represent favorite sports on x-axis and watching and participating on y-axis. So on the graph, draw this x-axis and then y-axis. Here write down x-axis and here write down y-axis. Here write 0. On x-axis we are representing favorite sports. Write down here favorite sports. And draw an arrow, and here write down watching and participating. Watching oblique participating people. This we represent it on y-axis. Now you have to take a suitable scale. So take 1 unit equal to 100 people. Here take 100, then 200, then 300, then 400, then 500, then 600, then 700, then 800, then 900, then 1000, then 1100, then 1200. You have to take one more line, that is 1300. You have to take up to 1300. This is your y-axis. Now number of people watching is 1240. 1240 will come after 1200, fourth line. You have to take fourth line, leave one box and then draw it, and fifth line on x-axis, then join it. It is 1240. Then participating it is 620. After 600 you have to take second line, join this, it is 620. Here said first rectangle, this is for watching. And on the x-axis below write down cricket, then leave one box, then basketball, it is 470. After 400 you have to take seventh line, then take fifth line, and join this. It is 470. Then participating it is 320. After 300, you have to take second line. Here, join this. Here write down 320. Then leave. Then set this first rectangle. Then leave one unit, that is one box. Then for here below write down basketball. Basketball. After this leave one space and then see for swimming. Watching is 510. 510 will come where? After 500, take first line. It represents 10. Join this. And then participating it is 320. After 300, you have to join second line. Draw like this. This is 510. This is 320. Set the first rectangle. And here I come swimming. It is swimming. The next is hockey. And watching is, number of people in watching is 430. Where 430 will come? After 400. Third line. Join this. Then fifth line, join this. This is 430. Write down 430. Then participating it is 250. So after 200, you have to take fifth line. And join this. It is 250. And set the first rectangle. And then below write down hockey. Then leave one box. Then for athletics, number of people watching it is 250. So 250 after 50, after 50, 200, you have to take fifth line and join like this. And here write down 250. And then participating it is 105. 105 is after 100 between 1 and 100. First line after 100. You have to take in center. And join this. It is 105. Set the first rectangle. And below write down athletics. So this is your double bar graph. So write down here double bar graph. This is a double bar graph. Write down a scale. Scale along y-axis. We have taken 1 unit equal to 100 people. Then we have set the rectangle. The set rectangle represents watching people. And non-shaded rectangles represents participating people. So this completes your double bar graph. Now come to question number 6. Here you have to draw double bar graph of table 3.1. Open table 3.1. See here it is given cities and temperature of cities. Here we represent city on x-axis and temperature on y-axis. Here draw x-axis like this, and y-axis like this. Here write down x-axis, and here y-axis. Here it is 0. On x-axis we are representing cities. So write down city and put an arrow. Then on y-axis we are representing temperature. Write down temperature, put an arrow. Now you have to take suitable scale. So take 1 unit, that is 10 small divisions equal to 5 degree. Write down 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then 35, then 40, then 45. Now say first city, it is Ahmedabad. Maximum temperature is 38. Leave one box, and for 38, see 35. After 35, see between 0 to 5 there are 10 small divisions, and it is equivalent to 5 degree. So 5 degree equivalent to 10 small divisions. 1 degree equal to 10 upon 5, that is 2. It means 2 lines represent 1 degree. So for 38, after 35, you have to draw 3 degree, that is 3 to the 6. After 35, take 6th line and join this. Then on x-axis take 5th line and join. Then write down 38. Say 38 degree. Then minimum temperature it is 29 degree. Where 29 will come after 25. You have to take 4 degree, that is 4 to the 8. 8th line and join up to 8th. After 25, it is 29. Then say first rectangle. Then write name of first city, that is Ahmedabad. Then leave one box. Then second city is Amritsar. Maximum temperature is 37. Where 37 will come after 35. For 2 degree, you have to take 2 to the 4th line. Join this. Then 5th line also. And join here and write down 37. Then minimum temperature is 26. That is after 25, 2 division. Join this and here also and write down 26. And say first rectangle. The next is here write down Amritsar. Then leave one box. Then come to Bangalore. Maximum temperature is 28. Where 28 will come after 25. Take 8th line, that is 25 plus 4. 28 to 4 to the 8, that is 8th line. Join like this. Then 5th line also. Join this. Write down 28. Then minimum temperature it is 21. After 20, you have to take second line. Join this and this. Write down 21. Then leave one box. Then come to Chennai. Chennai is 36 degree. Where 36 will come after 35, take 2 small divisions. For 1 degree, you have to take 2 small divisions. Join this. This is 36. Then minimum temperature it is 27. 27 is after 25, you have to take 4th division. Similarly, for Jaipur, leave one box. Maximum temperature is 39 degrees Celsius. Where 39 will come after 35, you have to take 8th division, that is 8th line, and join this. Then join 5th line. Join this. This is 39. Then minimum temperature it is 29. 29. Then minimum temperature it is 29. After 25, you have to take 8th line. Join this. It is 29. Write down 29. And below, write down Jaipur. Then leave one box. Then come to Jammu. It is 41 degree. That is after 40. You have to take second line. It is 41. Join this. Then fifth line also. And join this. It is 41. Then minimum temperature it is 26. That is after 25. You have to take second line. And join this. It is 26. Here write down Jammu. Then leave one space, one box. Then come to Mumbai. Mumbai is 32. That is after 30. You have to take fourth line. That is 32. 32. Then minimum temperature it is 27. 27 means after 25. Fourth line. Join this. It is 27. Below write down Mumbai. Then set the first rectangle in all the double bar graphs. Set first rectangle of all double bar graphs.